What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I posted up anything on my YouTube channel. It's been crazy busy. I'm trying to get back onto it, but anyways, if you guys have any car questions, definitely I still answer your questions and everything. And then today we're gonna do a little product review on the fog light, which is sent by Auxito. We're gonna go ahead and install it on a 2020 f350 Tremor edition and then see how it looks like. A little bit different. It's a lot flatter than most of your this is designed for a fog light, so a lot of your LED has like a little tab that comes out more to block off in the center, but then otherwise it feels pretty solid. Looks good. We're gonna go ahead and install it and see how it looks like before and after. Alright guys, this is going to be before the bulbs. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so you guys can see how it looks like before. Turn on the light. Yeah, there you go. Alright guys, that's how it looks like. It's yellow, it's glaring in my eyes right now and on camera. So I'm going to go ahead and swap that out to the new ones and we'll see how it looks like. Alright guys, so got to get that underneath and replace the bulb. Should be a pretty easy one. Just like that, bulb's out. I'm gonna have the new bulb, stick it in there. And it's all plugged in. Gonna go ahead and start the car. Make sure the light turns off. Alright. Wow, guys, look at that. Big difference, dude. The whole wall is shining. Woo! That is bright. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's glaring the crap out of the camera right now. But definitely looks good. I'll go ahead and give it a drive later at nighttime, get you guys a footage of how it looks like before. How it looks like with the fog lights on at night. But then check this out. I'm gonna turn on all the lights now. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna blind everybody on the road now. As you guys don't know, so the F150s and 350, 250s and stuff like that, they all have 4 bulbs. So you got one on top and one on the bottom. Top and bottom. Now we got all the way down there too. Got the fog lights going. Alright guys, don't forget to check out this company. I'll put a link down below. Check the website out. They do sell headlights, off-roading stuff, also headlamps and under fender lights and everything. So go ahead, check out their website and then comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this company. But I'll give you guys a review in another couple months and see how these lights holds up.